Hi friends, today we are going to make a tasty chicken fry recipe. Chatpata Chicken Fry. If you are looking for a different type tasty chicken fry, you should definitely try this chicken fry. It's a quick recipe, won't take much time for preparation. Let's move to the video. In a bowl, take 500 gram of chicken. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon pepper powder. Also add half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon whisked curd, 2 teaspoon lemon juice, 2 tablespoon tomato ketchup. Mix it well. Keep the marinated chicken in refrigerator for 1 hour. After 1 hour, take the chicken pieces. In a pan, heat 3 tablespoon oil. Fry the chicken pieces on medium flame for 4 to 5 minutes. Close the lid, fry on low flame for 15 minutes. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Add 3 tablespoons chopped coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon chopped curry leaves, mix it well, cook on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Now switch off the flame. Our Chatpata chicken fry is ready. If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.